Hello everyone, Cody here, and welcome to another video. Apologies for not posting a video in a couple weeks, but of course life comes and bites you in the butt, so yeah, that is what it is. But happy to be here to have another unboxing video. As again, many of you know, I'm rebuilding my collection and I've been purchasing fragrances kind of over time. I've got this trip planned, or it's actually not planned yet, but I'm going back to New York, and when I'm there, I'm actually going to get a bunch of fragrances. So when that goes through, it goes through. But anyways, this past Father's Day, I did get a gift from my wife, who obviously knows that I'm rebuilding my collection, and off of that list that I gave her, she got me another one. So this one is from the house of Tom Ford, right? Now, I want you guys to go ahead and guess what it is that you think that she got me, just kind of offhand. But, and again, the hint would have been my favorite Tom Ford fragrance, right? Now, this one is, and I'm just going to unbox it right now, Tuscan Leather. There we go. You can see the little Tuscan Leather. Yeah, Tuscan Leather has moved up in the ranks to be my favorite fragrance. I think from the House of Tom Ford. When I originally started from the House of Tom Ford, it was easily Tobacco Vanille, which is still one of the favorite fragrances. Tobacco Vanille, on the other hand, is a little bit more difficult to wear in terms of finding the good scenario, whereas Tuscan Leather, I think this is such a bang-up suit and tie fragrance. It's got that raspberry leather type of notes that come with it, and it just does an excellent job. And so she got me this, the 1.7. 1.7 for me is more than enough with Tom Ford. There's no way that I'm ever gonna use all of the Tom Ford here, or sorry, all of the juice from these. So yeah, so standard Tom Ford. Love the brown bottles. It's got Tom Ford. We lift it up, and we've got Tuscan Leather. Always been a fan of Tom Ford bottles. I think they're classy and they're well put together. So let's see if this smells like I remember it. Oh yeah, good stuff. This is such a great suit and tie and dress up fragrance. So glad to be back in my collection, Tuscan Leather from the House of Tom Ford. Yeah, so I think the next one probably, man, there's a couple from Tom Ford that I like, but they're, again, really good fragrances that we have. So glad to be in my collection. Now, finally, I'm gonna, have a couple other videos, so I'm gonna schedule those right after this. So keep a lookout for them. Again, apologies for being not present for the time being, but I am back, and hopefully I'm gonna queue up a couple videos because I am going on vacation yet again to North Carolina. So that's pretty much it. Thank you guys. Take care of yourselves, and you guys have a great day.